Hey, Kharisma here. Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you a concept, and really it's going to help you figure out what to do with your life. If you are someone who's at a crossroad, you're not sure how to move forward, you may have been on one path, but this year with everything happening, maybe it has impacted you in a way that's left you feeling confused, overwhelmed, not sure how to move forward. The concept is called IKIGAI, and it's a Japanese term that roughly translates into reason for being. Now, you know, here on this channel, I always talk about being, why we're here, or purpose, why we were created. I'm going to be guiding you through the components of this concept and how it helps you actually figure out, you know, the intersection of your passion and so on, to really give you guidance in terms of moving forward in your life and in your business. But before we get started, grab your paper and a pen and let's jump right into it. Now, the IKIGAI concept is, above all else, a lifestyle that strives to balance the spiritual with the practical, because we can't just have only the spiritual without the practical, only the practical without the spiritual. We need that balance and that integration for you and for me and all of us, for our lives to be well balanced, and for it to be a healthy way of living while we're here on earth. So in this diagram that I'm going to show you, I'm going to point out the keys and the key elements of this Japanese concept called IKIGAI. Now, in the first bubble, we're looking at what you love, right? And this could include your passion and your mission. The next circle or bubble is what you're good at, and this is your profession. And the third circle is what you can be paid for. So this can include also your vocation. And the last bubble is what the world needs. And when we bring those four elements together, we can identify your passion and your mission, and bringing together your profession or vocation. And that brings in what we call the IKIGAI, which is like almost your sweet spot. So today I want you to go away using this concept to really understand what is your IKIGAI. What is that thing that's going to really be your sweet spot? To discover your IKIGAI, you first must find what you're most passionate about. Then find a medium through which you can express that passion. IKIGAI is about finding joy, fulfillment, and balance in the daily routine of life. The fundamental truth of IKIGAI is that nothing is siloed. Everything is connected or interconnected, whether we are aware of it or not. So I really want you to take the time to go through this concept and really get a clear understanding of what is your sweet spot, or what is your IKIGAI. What is that thing that's going to bring you flow in your life and in your business, whether that's from your purpose or your passion, and then, you know, intersecting with your profession or your expertise and experience, and really seeing what fits together in the middle. What's brought to light? What's the clarity that you're going to gain when you bring these elements together and they intersect? What is that IKIGAI? Because remember, the IKIGAI is at the center, which is the heart, right? Which is the heart. I hope that this short video has inspired you, has given you an aha moment to gain clarity on, you know, how to figure out what to do with your life. And if you need more support, message me. Let's jump on a call. I can help you really get clear on what your purpose is, what you can do with your life, how you can package your experience, your expertise, or even your gift and purpose into a premium offering where you can offer value to the world or your ideal clients and be compensated divinely for the work and for the impact that you're having in the world. And as always, you can follow me on Instagram at Kharisma_arrow. And finally, until next time, remember, dare to be iconic in business and life. Bye for now.